Well, good morning, you guys. Welcome to a new video. Today I looked on the weather apps and they said it would be misty and foggy at the higher elevations here in Belgium. And they were right. I think it's a cloud bank that's being contained by the highest point of Belgium, and one part wasn't misty at all, and here the mist stayed. So it's more of a cloud inversion than real fog. So I'm really close to the road right now. It's like 5 meters from me here, and it's a parking spot for the lake that's on the other side of the bridge. It's one of the dams here in Belgium where they keep the sweet water to drink, or the drinking water. We call it sweet water and salt water. But so yeah, I came about this composition a few years ago. Never had really great conditions, but today with the fog, I think I will manage to get the shot that I've been waiting for a few years. So the shot that I have composed right now, I find it a really nice composition. You have this one small hill with trees growing on it, but the roots of the trees are surfacing. So you have the roots as a foreground interest, and then you have at the back you can compose it with a few of the pine trees that are in the back to fill up the holes. So yeah, that will be the first shot. But I think I managed to find another composition with the same trees, because the light is really hitting the other side of the trees really nice. So might try to compose a shot with the roots over there as well. So yeah, here's the first shot. I've already shown it on the YouTube channel, but I think it's a better version. So here you go. So I will do a live travel to the next composition, because we're already here. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down here. Voila. I can put my tripod here. So yeah, I had to hike a long distance. I was here, and now I walked 10 meters and I'm at the next composition. It's the same idea, but here on this side of the tree there is a lot of moss. This is the northern side of the tree. There's no sun hitting it ever, and above it there are no other trees, so it catches the light really nicely right now. So the only thing I have to be cautious with is there's like 2 trees and then a tree in the back, and I want to place it really nicely so it's composed nicely. But I think this will be an even better shot than the first one. I never thought about taking this shot in this way. So I want to give a little rundown about how I composed the shot. You have this tree here at this side. I use it as an anchor. I know it's like a really hard stop of the image, but I think it's best to block off the clutter that's behind it. Then you have that one tree I was talking about. It's perfectly between those trees. It's a little bit to the right, but I like it that way the most. You have pine trees here, and then this last one, you have this one here. But I thought, I go a little bit wider, but this is the hard part. You have this black blob at the top, but I really like those 2 little pine trees at the left, so I don't like the blob. So I will zoom in a little bit like this, recompose a little bit. It's like millimeter work. So I think this will be the shot. So I will take it now and I will show it on the screen. So I'm going back to the car again, but I think I'm seeing another composition. So yeah, three compositions next to roads, about 20 meters apart of each other. I'm not complaining. So yeah, I will position myself and then I will show you guys. So yeah, I walked from over there a little bit, so again 20 meters. But yeah, I'm at the next composition. It's a really abstract, cluttered shot, but I think I managed to get something interesting out of it. There's all these trees that are barren. There are no more leaves left, but there are small beech trees in between them, giving a little few splashes of orange. So yeah, it's really a cold shot with some mossy greens and then the oranges complementing each other. So yeah, simple shot, 3 shots, 10 meters apart. I'm not complaining. Take this shot and then I will move further ahead to the lake. Maybe there are a few shots there as well. I don't know yet, but I will take the shot and you will see me back. So I might call this video 5 images from a parking lot, because I found another one. Yeah, it's of this really mossy tree, dark background. There's another tree leaning into it. It also has some lichen on it. So yeah, I think this will be a great morning. So I might make 2 videos today. So yeah. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple shot. I've placed a mossy tree on the left hand side and you have the other tree leaning in. Quite simple shot, but hey, here's the shot. I just took the last shot. I said 5 images from one parking lot, but it will be 4. So yeah, there will be almost no B-roll because yeah, I didn't have actually any space or time to film it because it's all 10 meters apart from each other. So yeah. But hey, sometimes it goes like that. So yeah, if you liked the video, it will be a shorter one, I think, this time. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!